everyone. We're making this video to show our water filtration setup on our property. We will also be replacing the current filters with new ones to show the benefits of having filtered water. We moved to Dallyellop 13 years ago. We have always been on schemed water. We've heard numerous comments and seen posts, people complaining about Dallyellop water. Yeah, the taste isn't great. We started off with a fridge filter, just a simple jug. That progressed then to a 2-filter system under the sink in the kitchen, and then we decided probably 10 years ago to invest in this system, taking it one step further to a full 2-filter outdoor system whereby every drop of water that comes into our property, even including the Rettic water, is filtered. That's just how it's set up for the Rettic, obviously. We wouldn't normally worry about that, but so we've got here the water coming in. Just show the pipe work goes.
The original pipe work come under the ground and originally come straight into the house, but we had a plumber come in and he's cut it under here, and then he's piped it up, comes through the filters, back down, and then it's rejoined back under here, so everything into the house is filtered.
We wanted it set up this way really so that everything would benefit our plumbing for the fridge, the laundry, obviously showers, everything.
Even paddling pool water out the hoses.
Absolutely. The benefits are amazing. It is not a cheap job having to replace the filters, but definitely worth it. So this is the first filter.
This one's a sediment filter.
So this is the, I must say, this is, we change these filters every 12 months, which is recommended by the filter manufacturers every 12 months. You can leave it for 14 months, but we choose to do it 12 months when you see the colour of what we discover when we remove it. Yeah. So this is the, which filter is this?
Sediment.
The large. So that's 12 months that's been in there. Do you have the new filter to show the comparison?
Actually, I'm not going to take out the plastic wrapping yet.
But yeah, it comes in the plastic wrap. So what we need to do now, obviously we've turned off the water. Apologies for the barking dogs.
Patience, lad, they're not ours. Ethan, where you put the blue cloth?
Can we go ahead and remove the other filter? The removal tool there comes provided with the filters, filter housing when you buy it. So this is the second filter, so it's already gone through this filter. And then this is the, what's this, Jay?
This one's activated carbon. So this removes all of the tastes. And obviously you get a little bit of dirty water comes through there.
After 12-month installation, it doesn't look, the water looks perfectly clear. You wouldn't know any different. It's just the taste starts to deteriorate. Starts to smell a little bit fishy, and the taste, you notice it in your coffee and your tea. Just not very pleasant. So yeah, we change our filters. We do this process every 12 months. Just a quick wipe out with blue cloth.
Clean filter house.
And yeah, easy.
And then, so I don't get them mixed up, I always put one back.
We buy these filters from a local company in town. They're great. So we have bought the filters online. They were cheaper. You get what you pay for. We found that they certainly did not last as long. We're not here to promote any businesses, or certainly not promoting any online businesses, but we're just simply showing you our system setup if you choose to go ahead and improve your water. So do you want to just show the comparison on that one again? That's the
New sediment.
So that is the exact same filter.
Yep.
And it's basically what, just like compressed paper.
They're spun polyethylene or polypropylene. Or
Yeah. So the brown is clearly what it's got out. Great, nice new one going in. Lovely.
So that's the
Done.
sediment one done.
Great.
Switch around in here. Have a nice new carbon block filter.
So this one was slightly better actually than the last one we bought.
So this is the old carbon filter, which as you see has lots of little bits of carbon in it. Lots and lots of little bits of carbon. Now our new one is one solid block of carbon in there. You can actually see it, but it's
So better, but
It's a better
slightly
quality
more
filter.
expensive than this one from the same place.
And just make sure they're in the middle. Give the O-ring a quick wash. Screw it back up. Too tight, otherwise it breaks. It also makes it hard to get off. Then, because it's turn the tap off. Ethan, can you go and turn the tap on, please? This is the mains water tap because we have to switch it off, obviously, because it's pressurised system. So, water is back on. Press that button there to bleed the air out. And that in there. To bleed the air out. The water's leaking from there where it's supposed to. Just when you put them on, the air just pushes out. And then we bleed all the air out of the around all of the taps, switching them on and letting all the air come out.
Why is that brown water coming out of this?
It's just where when we take the filters out, you obviously disturb it a little bit.
That's what it would be like without the filters.
And you'll also get a little bit of discoloration for the first bit that comes out. Just got to clean off the dust. It has to clean off the dust from the outside of the carbon filter. There's a lot more comes out of these granulated ones than there is out of the carbon block. And that's it. You just go around and open up all the taps and let some water run to get rid of the air out of the system. So we've had no building works in the area, there's been no water main repairs or water leaks. It's obviously a pressurised system, so it can't actually come in through anywhere other than scheme pipes. So we go from this yucky gooey nice brown water nice crystal clear water, already and lovely tasting.
Definitely worth the investment. Absolutely no smell, no bad taste at all. It's actually pleasant to drink lots of water. The cost of the filters,
the carbon block one was $145 and the polypropylene sediment filter was $88. So that's just an ongoing cost every 12 months.
but definitely worth it
100% worth it.
to avoid that. So I hope this has helped if you're thinking of improving your water, and thanks very much for watching.